What? Why are you being sassy? Really?
Last year, I started a tradition to have an Easter egg hunt for my dogs. They love it, so today we're hosting our second annual event. I put a treat inside an egg and then showed them before closing it up. Enzo got it right away, but Cricket took a few tries. Then it was a matter of leaving the dogs in a room while I went to go hide the eggs. Are you ready? Okay, release. From there, the dogs found the eggs pretty fast. It was such a good time. They love doing this. We did it last year and it was a lot of fun. If you want to do this with your dog, make sure that they sniff the treat first before you put it inside and then test out them trying to open it and then go hide the treats. Other than that, I hope you guys have a happy Easter and here's a little activity to do with your dogs.
Ma! Ma! Mum! 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 Mummy! Mummy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Here's the green button. I'm going to call this one treat. Treat. I hit the buzzer and gave him a treat. Reward your dog for any interaction with the buzzer. Here, Graham hit it, and that was exactly what I wanted. And Reed did it too. Good boy. Which color should we do for outside?
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
Yep.
No!
It's on there.
That's a lie!
It's true.
Stop, Dad!
Olivia.
Dad's right!
Go check.
Okay.
He doesn't actually have yogurt on his nose, Olivia.
He's so slow.
Okay, shh.
I hate you!
I am going to remind you in advance that I'm very sorry and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving a fuck!
Excuse me, ma'am. I love your dog. What breed is that?
She is very gorgeous to me!
It's not unusual for our dog Shadow to come and lay right here because usually the fan is blowing cold air and currently the grate is blowing out cold air. So he likes to stay right there, keep his face nice and cool. He's got a lot of hair, so he gets hot really easily. But today we have Memorial Day fireworks happening. So we have a special guest for the holiday. We have Brock hanging out here on the bed. Lucky to have him. He looks wonderful as always. Do you not see him? That's him. Do you see him? Do you see him?
Oh my goodness. Come on, fam. What do you want? Huh? What is it? You wanna go outside? You need to use the bathroom outside? Bro, this is how close she is. If you want to go outside, you gotta dap me up. You dap me up quick. All right, come on, let's go. You gonna dap me up too? You gotta dap me up so we can go outside. That's my dog. Teamwork. Push it at the same time. Oh, missed it. One more time. Push it. That's what I'm talking about. Go. Hey, Remy, you want to play tag? Tag you with. Oh! She just proved why I'm the second fastest in the family. I like your hoodie.
What are you doing? Oh my God, Lewis!